variation of paso son, we can travel. So we can break out of just staying in one spot. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. We can move laterally. So leads, in order to cue it, we can do a little bit of a slide, look the way that we are going, and we're just gonna maintain that rhythm pattern of stepping. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. So we're gonna have pauses where the feet are spread apart or they're together. 2, 3, apart, 6, 7, together. When we run out of room on one of the ones where the feet are together, we're just gonna sink into the ground. We use a side step to reverse direction. 2, 3, 4. We can go back looking the other way. 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, together. We use a side step, 6, 7, 8, and then we're back. We can go to forward and back. We can go back to paso son. Fun variation on traveling sideways is leads can kind of open up when we slide out to the side. So we could have 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, open and just kind of pivot the follow with our right arm. And we can have a sort of a hybrid where we're walking forwards but side just at the same time. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. When we run out of room, we can 2, 3, 4, close back up, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8.